Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Experience next-level 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, designed for hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals alike. This SLA printer delivers fast, precise results with exceptional automatic resin handling, making it perfect for everything from intricate miniatures to large-scale models. Its innovative resin management system works quietly behind the scenes, letting you start your prints quickly while minimizing mess. The Mono M7 Max's advanced light source system ensures ultra-fine accuracy, capable of printing down to a remarkable 10-micron resolution, producing consistently detailed and high-quality results. All of this comes at an impressive price point for a printer with these capabilities. Who it's for? Professionals, with near-industrial build quality, reliable operation, and precision capable of capturing the finest details. The M7 Max is ideal for rapid prototyping, short-run manufacturing, and other professional applications. Enthusiasts and hobbyists, offering innovative resin management features and exceptional print quality under $1,000, the M7 Max is perfect for artists and makers looking to produce high-quality resin prints efficiently. Its intuitive interface makes transitioning from setup to finished prints seamless, minimizing manual resin handling while delivering excellent results. Specifications and features. Printing technology, stereolithography, SLA. Material supported, resin. Maximum build area, 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 in. Top print resolution, 10 microns. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Frame design, closed. Dimensions, 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 in. Weight, 52.91 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. Whether for precise prototyping or high-quality creative projects, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max combines performance, precision, and convenience in one affordable package. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is the flagship 3D printer from a company renowned for pioneering multicolor filament printing. Designed for both beginners and experienced makers, it combines versatility, performance, and ease of use at an accessible price point. The A1 supports up to 4-color printing, features a large 10x10x10-inch print bed, and includes an easy-to-switch nozzle system for fast material changes. Its intuitive setup and reliable operation allow users to start printing quickly while achieving excellent quality results. For those wanting multicolor capabilities, Bambu Lab offers a 4-color spool system, available as an optional add-on for the $399 base model or included in the A1 combo package for $559. Who it's for? Beginners. The A1 is ideal for newcomers to 3D printing. Its straightforward setup, clear interface, and reasonable price make it easy to start printing right away. The combo model adds multicolor functionality, allowing users to explore creative designs with minimal hassle. Hobbyists and enthusiasts, experienced makers will appreciate the A1's large print bed, high-quality output, and flexibility to work with multiple filament types. Its performance makes it suitable for detailed projects, prototypes, and creative multicolor prints. Specifications and features. Printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Material supported, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Maximum build area, 10 by 10 by 10 in. Frame design, open. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 16.93 by 15.16 by 16.14 in. Weight, 18.3 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Bambu Lab A1 balances affordability, ease of use, and advanced multicolor printing, making it a versatile choice for both entry-level and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an exceptional entry-level 3D printer that combines affordability with impressive functionality. Designed to deliver high-quality prints at fast speeds, it offers an optional, inexpensive add-on module that allows multicolor printing with up to 4 different filaments. This makes it easy for users to create vibrant, detailed, and multi-hued designs without complicated setup or workflow. The A1 Mini is user-friendly, almost fully assembled out of the box, and provides a reliable, problem-free printing experience from the first print to the last. Who it's for? Beginners. The A1 Mini is perfect for newcomers to 3D printing. Its nearly complete assembly and intuitive interface let users get started quickly. The combo version includes the 4-color module, enabling easy multicolor printing, making it ideal for exploring creativity without frustration. Budget-minded hobbyists. With a price under $400, the A1 Mini is an excellent choice for hobbyists who want an impressive out-of-the-box experience and high-quality results without overspending. Its compact size, fast print speed, and multicolor capabilities make it one of the most cost-effective 4-color FDM printers on the market. Specifications and features. Printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Maximum build area, 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm. Top print resolution, 100 microns. Frame design, closed. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 in. Weight, 12.12 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini delivers fast, high-quality multicolor printing at a budget-friendly price, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists alike. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to create large 3D prints without breaking the bank? The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus offers a generous build volume rarely found in sub-$500 3D printers, allowing you to print oversized models with ease. In our testing, it successfully produced more than 20 objects with generally very good quality. While it requires some basic assembly and sufficient table or bench space, setup is straightforward, and operating the printer is user-friendly. Keep in mind that you'll need at least one filament spool to start printing, or you can purchase a bundle that includes filament. Who it's for? Beginners. The Neptune 4 Plus is an excellent choice for newcomers willing to get hands-on. Its open frame design keeps motors, belts, cables, print bed, extruder, and filament feed fully visible, offering a clear view of the 3D printing process. Assembling the printer and watching it in action helps beginners understand how 3D printing works. Despite its affordability, it produces consistently high-quality large prints, making it perfect for learning and experimenting. Budget-minded hobbyists. For hobbyists looking to print big projects without spending a fortune, the Neptune 4 Plus delivers. Its large print volume, compatibility with multiple filament types, and reliable performance make it a versatile option for cash-conscious makers. Specifications and features. Printing technology, fused deposition modeling, FDM. Materials supported, ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, TPU. Maximum build area, 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 in. Top print resolution, 100 microns. Frame design, open. Connectivity, USB thumb drive, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 in. Weight, 32 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus combines affordability, a large print volume, and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists eager to create impressive 3D prints. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent choice for curious tinkerers and beginners looking to dive into 3D printing without breaking the bank. Building on the success of previous Ender-3 models, the V3 offers improvements in print speed, auto-calibration, and cooling, making it faster and more reliable than ever. While it isn't entirely without minor quirks such as occasional noise, vibration, and a print bed that benefits from a glue stick, it remains a highly capable and affordable option for hobbyists and newcomers. Its open-frame design allows you to observe the extruder, motors, and print bed in action, providing a hands-on understanding of the printing process. Who it's for? Beginners. The Ender-3 V3 is ideal for those new to 3D printing. It's easy to assemble and operates intuitively, producing fast, high-quality prints. Its open-frame construction makes it educational, offering clear insight into how each component works while you print. Budget-minded buyers, perfect for hobbyists on a budget or anyone seeking a backup printer, the Ender-3 V3 delivers excellent performance at a modest price. Its compact footprint also makes it suitable for small workspaces without sacrificing print size or quality. Specifications and features. Printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported, PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, PLSEF, PTGCF, CR carbon. Maximum build area, 7.8 by 7.8 by 9.8 in. Top print resolution, 350 microns. Frame design, open. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 14 by 14.7 by 19.6 in. Weight, 17.2 pounds. Warranty, 12 months. Affordable, capable, and easy to use, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is a reliable introduction to 3D printing for beginners and budget-conscious makers alike.